Apple just released a brand new savings account that pays 4.15% APY, which is higher by 10 times than the national average. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you guys through the entire process of opening this account up. And on top of that, I'm going to give you guys a bit of information that I feel you should know before you actually get it. So the first thing you need to know is that before even applying to this account, make sure your phone is updated to the latest software, because I heard a few people having this issue. So if you just update your phone, you should be able to see the option if you don't currently see it right now. And on top of that, another thing that you guys should know is that you need to have an Apple credit card before you could actually apply for the savings account. So an Apple card is made with titanium, and pretty much you could apply for this online and get instantly approved if you actually have the qualifications necessary. And once you get the Apple card, you're pretty much good to go in terms of opening a savings account. So like I said, this savings account has a 4.15% APY, and this is a lot higher than any other bank that you could go to for a savings account. On top of that, it's very accessible. You just have to apply on your phone, which is a very quick process. And the best part about this is there are no fees, there are no minimum balance requirements, and there are no minimum deposits. So if you guys have $1 that you want to put into your savings account, you could do so. If you guys only have $1 to leave in there, then you could still earn a bit of passive income on that money. So just to give you guys a bit of perspective, let's say you left $100 in this savings account for an entire year. That means you get paid $4.15 just for not even touching that $100. So if you guys have a lot more money, you're going to be earning a whole lot of passive income, aka interest on top of that money, which is always a great thing. So now I'm going to walk you guys through the entire process of opening this account up, and we're going to see exactly how easy this is. Okay, so as you guys could see, this is my Apple Card dashboard right over here. Currently I have a balance of $2,300, which I do plan on paying off, so don't even worry about that. But pretty much in order to access the Apple savings account, you have to go up here to the top right corner where there are these three little dots right under your battery icon. You're going to press this, and then you're going to press daily cash. So as you guys can see, so far off of the Apple cashback rewards thing for your credit card, I've earned a total of $209.66. But pretty much to set up your card, you just have to press savings, which is located right below Apple Cash. Once you press setup over here, you guys can see it says you earn an APY of 4.15%. And then on top of that, this is going to go into your daily cash section. So when you guys are making any payments, you could just use your daily cash with the money that you've earned from your savings. So now you're going to press continue. And then as you guys can see over here, you have to enter your full SSN. So after you enter your SSN, you guys are going to see that they have terms and conditions that you need to accept before you could further move on. So at the bottom right corner, you're going to just press agree. If you want to read through it, then go ahead. But I'm just going to press agree. And now right over here, it asks you, have you been notified that you are subject to backup withholding by the IRS? So in my case, that's a no. So then I'm going to click confirm and open account. So now my account is being opened, as you could tell by the loading screen. So now it says the account has been created, and this is the dashboard for the Apple card, or the Apple savings card. So as you guys can see over here, once you start adding money to it, you're going to see a line that gradually goes up. And on the right hand side of this graph, you'll see the little amounts that show the dollar amount that's in your savings. So you're going to be earning a 4.15% APY, as the top right corner says. So whatever money that you put inside of this account will be earning passive income, and you could actually add money. So if I wanted to right now, I'll just press add money, and let's say I want to add $100, I'll press this, press next, and then I'll be redirected to whichever bank account that I want to use. So it all depends on the account that you link using your Apple card at first, and then you'll be able to choose that bank account afterwards to add money. And obviously you could withdraw money, which is the withdraw button to the left. Since I don't have any money here, I can't make any withdrawals. And as you guys can see over here, you could actually change the different timelines. So you could see bi-weekly, you could see monthly, every 6 months, yearly, or you could just see the total amount or the total time that you've had your account open for. So this process is definitely very easy, and you could look at your account details, documentation, and notifications at the top right corner as well. But this is definitely a great opportunity. I've been looking for a high yield savings account for some time now, and I was thinking about opening one somewhere else, but as soon as I heard Apple offered one, best believe I wasted no time jumping on that. So I hope this video helps you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.